Okay guys, just got off the subway. Brand new day, welcome back to the channel. And what do we have right away? Well, we got a GT2 RS, one of my favorite cars on the planet. My homie Amon took me for a ride in one of these. Love this. I'm actually gonna get some shots. It's absolutely beautiful out. It's a little chilly, but I can get through it. I'm gonna get shots of this because I love a Wysock GT2 RS. It's one of my favorite cars. They're gonna do a 992 generation of the GT2 RS. I just don't know when they're gonna release it. Maybe in Monterey when we go to Car Week. Who knows? Super sick. Gonna get shots.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was
GT4 RS just right after the GT2 RS. Okay guys, Chiron's back. That's pretty sick. It just got here, so the season's getting off on a good start. Gallardo ride, SV ride, now Chiron. Let's go. I'm feeling like this. We've seen the Chiron before, parked in the garage. Actually, me and somebody else were the first to spot it, but yeah, sick, you guys. So, Chiron to start 2026, SV ride, Gallardo ride, super hyped, you guys. They're not letting anybody in, so gotta wait out here for it to leave. Okay. Oh, blinding.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different?
Oh, yeah. It doesn't have the two little vents down there. Oh, it's a Cielo too. That guy's getting ganked, I guess. Okay guys, MC20 Cielo Primera Series, so a little bit more rare than the regular one. Good shots of this because I like the styling. They're such a good car too. Okay.
Looking for a piece of mind, I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs, word is going to see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake, whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste, now that I've been wide awake. Loops trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen.
Okay guys, so yeah, it's a Monday. It's kind of cloudy as you guys can probably see, but it's warm out. It's 21, t-shirt weather, thank God. I don't know how much it will last. It's supposed to rain tonight, tomorrow, and Wednesday. But yeah, that SV ride, this is the video after. That was sick. Huge thank you to my buddy for that. That was 2 Lambo rides in a week. Is pretty good start to 2026. Chiron in this video. Pretty sick. So I doubt anything big's gonna be out.
That's what she said.
But you never know. I've seen some crazy stuff on rainy days. I've seen crazy stuff on Mondays. I've seen crazy stuff on Wednesdays. You just never know. So I'm gonna this is my setup, as you guys know. I'm gonna try this out for a little while, and then my DJI goes right there. Video, you get the sounds of the car driving by, and then I can slow-mo it in editing, but we'll see. If I have slow-mo rate on this built in, so I can use the slow-mo in here, so you never know. But it's been a pretty good start to 2026, and it's only gonna get bigger like I promised you guys, so stay tuned, let's get to it, and you never know what we might see. Not really set up yet, guys, but LP 700 set. Okay guys, you guys know this car from my channel. My buddy's 54 Speedster, 4-cam, 1600S. We went for a ride in this last year, if you guys remember. Super fun. Went out in his OEM factory manual V10. Audi R8 tuned with exhaust. That was crazy. We also have a GSF right there, but that was so much fun and it looks so pretty just chilling. Thanks, man. So sick. Look how good that looks. That is sick. GT3 Touring, Oak Green Neo on HREs, I'm guessing, but dude, that is sick. Holy sh!
Nikes.
Wow, I'm gonna get a photo. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oak Green GT3 Touring 992.2 on HREs. Dude, that is sick. With the 911 in the thing, oh my god. First car of the day. It's Tuesday. That's sick. The bro. Sick. He works at Porsche. Oh, is that Ryan? No. Did he have black wheels? Okay guys, that is sick. Spectre black badge, all specced in white.
You've done well, Lord Vader.
Obviously I don't need to get the sound because it's electric, but that is so nice. Okay guys, I'm here, but I'm feeling pretty rough because I got the flu.
There you go. Get it all out.
It's Friday, it's beautiful out. Just saw a Grigio Telesto STO rip by. I wasn't prepared, so I have the flu. So here's what's gonna happen today. One camera, one mic. That's all I'm dealing with today. I'm so sick. I've been down for the last couple days, so I just still feel like hell, but okay guys, I'm gonna switch up to my big camera and all of that. Okay guys. Great, that's sick. Wow, good spec. Good spec. That's a customer car. Yeah. Wow. Better clip of that rollie. So purple, white interior. I don't know much sure about the silver though. It's really nice. Damn, holy, oh look at the Mansory. What? Mansory Revuelto. He just got it right now. What's up, brother? sick. SF90. That's a good spec though. I like this one better, I think. Okay guys, I was actually supposed to go to an unveil for this tomorrow, but this is my buddy Rob's first in the country Mansory Revuelto. So it's got the extra carbon, it's got a big crazy back diffuser. I might get some B-roll of it, but Rob's always been good to me, man. I went to his birthday party last year. This thing's got brilliant exhaust. Went for a ride in his Performante. He likes Mansory, so this is Mansory Revuelto.
Yeah. Hey, what is up? Living off the edge like a barber lining up. Just another day and another dollar, bruh. I'm dialing in, just count it up. Another win, can't get enough. Watch me pivot in a clay for my love. Pisces, I live in a lake and I love it. Golden, yeah, I got the swing with the club. Hole in one. Where I'm at, you need some drive, get a license.
Okay guys, never mind the fake CSL. That SL65 V12 takes the cake. Dude, that is so sick. Convertible V12, that is so baller. It's probably one of the best things I've seen all year. And with that steezy V12, I think we're gonna end it there. But as I always say at the end of each vlog, hello Washington! Yeah! Wait a minute, I don't say that, I say this.